Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here we'll see the part 9. Because this exercise was a bigger one, so I have divided it to 2. So we'll continue with the same, that is the exercise 2.4. So we'll start with question number 6. The product of two numbers is 91 by 6. If one number is 4 integer 1 by 3, you have to find the other. So now first thing what we are going to consider, we'll write here because we have to find the other number. Let the other number be x. So the product means you are going to multiply. So there is one number is x and the other one is given as 90. Sorry, the product is given as 91 by 6. If one number is given as 4 by 3 means what this is considered as x and the other one is 4 integer 1 by 3 and the product is given as 19 by 6. So we are going to write this way. X into 4 integer 1 by 3 is 91 by 6. So this is the important step. So now what we can do here, x will keep as it is. This is the mixed fraction. So that is going to be 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. And this will be 91 by 6. So x is going to be 91 by 6. And this now it is changing the side. It is going this side. This is multiplication. So it will get flip over. That is going to be either you can write this one if you are confused. So you can also write this one as x is going to be 91 by 6 divided by, because it is 13 by 3, so it becomes the same as 91 by 6 because now this is division, you are going to flip over, that will be 3 by 13. Or you can directly write here, it is going on the other side, so that will get already flip over, that will be 3 by 13. Anyways you can write, or you can write this one more step. So this is going to be 13 ones are, 13 sevens are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, so that is going to be 7 by 2. Now this is an improper one, so we have to divide it and make it to mix. So that will be 3 integers 1 by 2. So this x we have considered, that was the other number. So we can say the other number is 3 integer 1 by 2. If the cost of 7.5 kg apples is rupees 600, find the cost of 1 kg apple. So cost of, we can write here 7.5 kg apples, that is given as rupees 600. So cost of 1 kg apple. So here below this kg, if you write this kg, that becomes easier. So what will you do? We don't know what is it. So we are going to cross multiply. So 1 into 600 means always wherever the two numbers are there, that is going to go in the numerator. And this will go in the denominator because many of them get confused whether to multiply or divide. So this is one of the way to remember. You just write this the same. Again, I'll repeat. Now this is kg, so this one below the other. Here, this is given as rupees 600 and we don't know here. And then later on cross multiply. And when you are crossing it, see that this, wherever you get two numbers, that will be 6, that will go in the numerator and the other single number, because at this part we can see only one number, that will go in the denominator. So 600 and this is going to be 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 is in the denominator. So now 600 is in the numerator, stays as it is, and this will get flip over, because now you can also write for this step as 600 divided by 15 by 2, because again this is many times confusion for many of them. So you can also write like this, so that will be 2 by 15. So here 15 ones are, this will be 40 and 42s are 80. So that will be 80 rupees. So we can say cost of 1 kg apples is rupees 80. A rope of length 8 integers 1 by 3 meters cut into 5 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each piece. So length of 5 pieces is given, of rope is given as 8 integer 1 by 3. So we have to see length of one piece of rope. So what will you do? Again, this will be together. So we don't know what is it. So we are going to cross multiply. So 1 into 8 integers 1 by 3, that will go in the numerator, and 5 will go in the denominator. So this is going to get divided. So for this part, what are you going to write? So that is going to be 25 by 3 divided by 5. So 25 by 3 is in the numerator. Just keep in mind here. And this is in the denominator. So this will stay as it is. And 5, we can also write this is the extra step, 5 by 1. So now 25, the numerator always stays the same, and this will get flip over. So that will be 1 by 5. This is again wherever the mistakes happen here. So this is, I have given the extra step. So 5 ones are 5 5s are, so that will be 5 by 3. So when you divide this, that will be 1 integer 2 by 3 meter. So we can say length of each piece of rope is 1 integer 2 by 3 meter. In a hostel, 250 kilogram rice is bought every week. Each student that is consumes 1 integer 1 by 4 kg rice per week. Find the number of students in the hostel. So 1 integer 1 by 4 kg rice that is consumed by one student. So 250 kilogram rice will be consumed by how much? So what will you do? You are again going to cross multiply this one. So 250 divided by 1 integer 1 by 4. So 250 is in the numerator, and this is the, for this mix we'll make it to improper, that will be 5 by 4. So 250 stays as it is, and this will get flip over, that will be 4 by 5, and this will be 50. So we can say this one as 54s are 200. So there are 200 students, we can say, in the, they said find the number of students in the hostel. There are 200 students in the hostel. In a school, 8 by 15 of the students are boys. If the number of girls is 840, find the number of boys. Now see here, they said 815 of the students are boys. So we don't know the number of students. So let the total number of students be x. So boys is going to be what? They said off. Off means this is multiplication. So 815 of the students means off means multiplied by x. So we can write this one. This is the important step. 8 by 15, 8 out of 15, they are boys. So girls will be how much? This total, this whatever is in the denominator, that is the total. So 8 plus 7, so that is going to be, girls is going to be 7 by 15. This is again one more step what you have to remember. So because this is 15, these boys are 8 by 15, so girls will be 7 by 15x. So now look at the second sentence. If the number of girls is 840, so we have considered this 7 by 15x, that is given as 840. So this thing, if you do it correctly, so that will be x will be 840, and this will go on the other side because this is multiplication. So that is going to be, if it changes, it is going to get flip over, or you can write like this, 840 divided by 7 by 15. So 840 multiplied by 15 by 7. You can also write this step, extra step. So this is going to be 120 into 15, that is going to be 1800. So what is x we had considered? That was the total number of students. But they are asked the number of boys. So now number of boys, what is that? That is 8 by 15 into x. So 8 by 15, in place of this x, we are going to put this 1800. So this is going to be 120. So 120 into this 8, that is going to be 960. So we can say number of boys are 960. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of other parts. Thank you.